Now we are going to discuss some properties of determinants. There are total 6 properties. Property 1, the value of determinant remains unchanged if its row and column are interchanged. Here, to verify this property, we take here example. Consider now, if we find its value, we get 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2, that is 4 minus 3 is equal 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Now if we interchange its row and column, we get another determinant. Now if we find its value, we get 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3, that is 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Here we get value of both determinant is same. Here we know that if A is a square matrix, then determinant A is equal to determinant A dash, where A dash is equal to transpose of A. Also, if Ri represent ith row and Ci represent ith column, then for interchanging of row and columns, we will symbolically write Ci to Ri. Example 6. Verify property 1 of determinant. Verify property 1 of determinant. Expand given determinant along row 1. We get 2 into 0 minus 20 plus 3 minus 42 minus 4 plus 5 30 minus 0. We get here minus 40 plus 3 into minus 46 plus 5 into 30, minus 40 minus 138 plus 150, minus 178 plus 150 will get minus 28. Now interchange the row and columns. We get new determinant. We get is equal to 2 into 0 into minus 7 minus 5 into 4 minus 6 minus 3 into minus 7 minus 5 into 5 plus 1 minus 3 into 4 minus 5 into 0 is equal to 2 into minus 20 minus 6 21 minus 25 plus minus 12 minus 0 minus 40 minus 6 into minus 4 minus 12 minus 40 plus 24 minus, we get here minus 24. We observe that value of both determinant is same. Property 2. Any two row or columns of a determinant are interchanged, then sign of determinants changes. We verify this property through an example. Suppose the given determinant is, if we find its value, we get -2. Now, if we change row 1 to row 2, that is, we write in place of row 1, we write row 2, and in place of row 1, row 2, we write row 1. That is, we symbolically denote R1 to R2. It means that interchanging of row 1 to row 2. What we get here, 3 into 2 minus 4 into 1, that is 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So here we observe that property 3, if any two rows or columns of a determinant are identical, that is, all corresponding elements are same, then value of determinant is 0. For example, if we consider, then value of determinant is here row 1 and row 2 are identical. Property 4, if each element of a row or a column of a determinant is multiplied by a constant k, then its value gets multiplied by k. Let's consider a determinant. Now its value is, multiply row 1 by 3. We get, now its value is, here we observe that if we multiply the row 1 by 3, then the value of the determinants gets multiplied by 3. Property 5, if some or all elements of a row or column of a determinant are expressed as sum of two or more terms, then the determinant can be expressed as sum of two or more determinants. For example, determinant A1 plus lambda 1, A2 plus lambda 2, A3 plus lambda 3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Then it can be expressed as A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 plus lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Property 6, if to each element of any row or column of a determinant the equimultiples of corresponding element of other row or column are added, then value of determinant remain the same. That is, the value of determinant remain the same if we apply the operation Ri to Ri plus Krj or Ci to Ci plus Kcj.